Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use HeyGen AI Video Generator tool for free. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for HeyGen and click the official website from the results. Make sure you select the correct domain and avoid ads or unrelated links. Once on the site, go to the creation section and select the avatar video or auto speaker option. Choose an avatar and voice that match your message. Consider tone, audience, and language, since many avatars support multiple accents. Next, find the script box and enter your text. Keep sentences short, clear, and well punctuated to improve voice quality. You can also specify language if needed. If your script is long, break it into smaller sections for better results. Click Submit to generate the video. Wait for processing, then preview the result. Check pronunciation, pacing, and clarity. If needed, adjust your script and regenerate. Free plans may include limits like watermarks or shorter videos, so plan accordingly. So that's basically how you can use HeyGen AI Video Generator tool for free. That's it for this video. Thanks.